Hey there, today I have another Infinite Style by Ann Taylor unboxing for you. So this is my second box actually with this service, so I'll put a card up above to my first unboxing. But if you're not familiar with Infinite Style by Ann Taylor, it's another one of those clothing rental subscription boxes. It's run basically the same as the other couple of services that I do, like Haberdash and Infinitely Loft, and they're basically all run by the same company, and the company's called Castle. And with these services, you're able to have 3 items of clothing at a time, and you can turn it around as many times as you like. Typically the turnaround time is up to 3 days for them to send out the box, and then everything comes USPS priority, so that usually takes 2 to 3 days to arrive. But you are able to do something called Return Notify, where you notify online that you're going to send back the box, then they'll start prepping. So there's less time in between boxes. So that's what I've been doing, and it has been working a lot quicker. So I would say you could probably get maybe 4 boxes if you're really good about aggressively return notifying. But anyway, I'll put some information about how the service works down in the description box below. I'll also put my referral link, which is good for a $25 credit to the service, and I also get a $25 credit. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. Everything's nicely wrapped. You get a prepaid mailer to send your items back when you're done wearing them. And here's a peek at my bundle. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so with this box, and this is my second box, right? Looks like I got all priority items again. I'm pretty sure I haven't gotten all priority items from my other services. And this is like 2 boxes in a row, all priority. So, I mean, that's really nice, but of course it just depends on how good I'm at picking, because sometimes things might look nice and I'll prioritize them, but when I actually get them, they're not that great, but we'll see. Okay, so the first item in my box is this skirt. This is the Petite Top Stitch Double Weave Pocket Skirt in Warm Honey, and I got it in a size, what did I get? 6 Petite. And the buyout price is 60% off retail, and that's $31.50. And you know, actually, I think with these services, the buyout prices can change. Because I know, like, when I was first looking at it before it was coming, I swear it was like a 40% discount, because it was a lot higher. But now it's 60%. So if you have it at home and you haven't done the return notify, you should check the prices, because it could go down. But yeah, that's actually not a bad price, $31.50 for this skirt, because I swear it was higher, like in the $40 range. And it does look really good. And this is kind of a different color. It's not really mustard, and it's not really olive. It's kind of like in between. And you know, I've been wanting to pick up some pencil skirts, because I used to love to wear pencil skirts all the time, but I outgrew them, so I got rid of them. But yeah, that's cute. Okay. And next, I have a dress. This is the Petite Floral Wrap Flare Dress in Night Sky. Okay, and I got the size 6 Petite, and the buyout price, it's 80% off retail, and that makes it $29.50. So boy, that's a really good price for this dress, $29.50, and it's a polyester dress. It is fully lined, and it says it's a wrap. Yeah, it is a wrap. It is a true wrap, though. That's one thing. I'm not a big fan of true wrap dresses, to be honest. Oh, but what's nice is, even though it's a true wrap, it does have like a slip skirt, so that way it's not going to expose yourself. So yeah, I think this is actually kind of nice. The length, it's more of a midi length, and those are kind of problematic for me, being petite proportionately, but we'll give it a try. Okay, and my last item is a sweater. This is the Petite Fringe Trim Sweater Jacket in Winter White. And yeah, I got a size medium petite. And this one, the buyout price is 80% off retail, and that makes it $25.50. So $25.50 for this this sweater. It's like this. Can you see? Very textury. It has this kind of like edging fringe. We'll see. I thought, you know what? This could be very classic. This could be very like Jackie Kennedy. But we'll see. Yeah, I don't know. I've been watching shows like, you know, The Crown is coming back on, right? So, you know, watching those period pieces, kind of like, you know, I just thought I'd try it. Okay, so that's everything I got in my second Infinite Style by Ann Taylor box. And you know what? Not bad. I think it's pretty promising. So now I'm going to go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the skirt. And this is a 6 petite. I would say the length is good. It looks a little big though. I'm not sure if I should have gotten a size 4 petite, but usually like with loft and stuff, I'm a 6 petite. But it is, it does look, I like the color, I like the style. It's a nice thick, heavier weight fabric and it's fully lined. So I do think it's nice. Plus it's machine washable, which is nice. Yeah, so I think it's just a nice basic. And let's try that sweater. And here is the white sweater, and this is a medium petite. So it is a little big. I'm gonna roll up the sleeves. And it's, you know, I noticed that this sweater there's snags in it, and I guess, you know, it isn't new. You know, it got snagged. There were also, I think I saw a hole somewhere. If you can see, yeah, look, see how it's like thinned out and, right there. So this is probably, definitely not gonna be purchased. I'm not sure if I'll wear this, but I just thought I'd try kind of a different style. It's a classic style, I think. I mean, it has a very luxe look if it wasn't snagged and had a hole in it. But the style itself, I just thought I'd try. Unfortunately, I think what I'll do is I will contact the company and see what they say. But, okay, so that is the sweater. Okay, so here is the dress. And, you know, I really do like this. I like that, okay, so it is a true wrap, but there's a slip underneath, so that's kind of nice. It does feel a little bit big, but not terrible, I think. It's a 6 petite, so I don't know if with Ann Taylor I should size down to a 4 petite. Yeah, so I actually really like this dress. I thought it was midi, but it's more like just straight hits at the knee. And I kind of like it. I think this is a cute flowy dress. And let's try it with a denim jacket. Okay, and here it is with a medium wash. This is a cut from the cloth denim jacket. And yeah, I think that looks like a cute look. I like this dress actually, and it was 80% off for $29, so that's not a bad price. And oh, for shoes, I have tendonitis in my ankles, and now I feel like I'm getting plantar. So I'm trying some different shoes from, this is Bionics. So these are maybe not the most attractive shoes, but they have a lot of arch support and they're cushy, and actually these feel really comfortable and supportive. So I just ordered them from Zappos, so I have 1 year to decide. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Ann Taylor box this week, and so far I think that I am enjoying the service. I am impressed with how quickly they are turning around my boxes and that I'm getting all priority items so far. The clothes have been actually really nice, except for the one exception was the sweater. And I think maybe going forward, if I do put sweaters in my closet, I'll only pick the more recent ones. So I think it's a good idea if you do these services to clean out your closet every once in a while, because I do think some of these items, you know, like if they have been worn numerous times, are going to be showing a lot of wear, so it might not be worth it. Certain things, like if it's polyester or poly blend, I think those tend to be more durable. And yeah, but anyway, now it's time to say goodbye, and I'm going to bring one of my 2 furry companions to help me do that. And I think today we will go with, my older daughter said, why do you always have Kaya? Now why don't you have Sammy? So we're gonna have Sammy. All right, Sammy, you ready? Come Sammy. Oh my goodness, she looks so tired. Why are you so tired? All right, we're gonna have to get some treats. So actually, Sammy and Kaya were both groomed last week, and every time we take them, this is to Petco, they give them a little bag of goodies. So let's bust this out. Come on. Oh, here's Kaya. She's ready for it's like a party here. All right. And one thing I've noticed, which is kind of strange, is some of these goodies actually just look like regular cookies. Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, these are dog cookies, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they don't smell like regular cookies. Okay, so let's go ahead. What do you guys want? Are you guys, okay, all right, here you go. But anyway, that's all I have for today, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Bye now. It goes out. Yeah, okay, all right.